Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Check your iPhone model and iOS version so the carrier profile will install correctly, then insert the active SIM card if required. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Data to begin activation. You do this now because having the right software and backup prevents interruptions and simplifies the carrier handoff. Next, you follow the carrier activation flow. Open Settings, choose Cellular or Mobile Data, then add Cellular Plan or select the new SIM entry. This triggers scanning a QR code or accepting an eSIM from your carrier. If the carrier provided an activation code, enter it when prompted. Otherwise, accept the install and follow on-screen confirmations. Make sure to install any carrier settings update that appears. Once the profile is installed, restart the iPhone to finalize network registration and handshake with the carrier. To finish, confirm the carrier name appears and you have signal bars. Place a test call and use mobile data to ensure services are active. If things go wrong, try simple fixes first. Toggle airplane mode, power cycle the iPhone, or remove and reset the SIM, or reapply the eSIM profile. If that fails, reset network settings to clear stale configurations, but note this removes saved Wi-Fi networks. Make sure to contact your carrier if activations still won't complete, so they can complete provisioning on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.